All right, guys. You can see it's already open, right? Because I already opened the first video, but I'm speaking my language, Bisaya. Now I will do it again, English. I'm gonna do it again using my tumbling English. So a little bit, explanation for those. You never know. Americans, view also my videos, so they will understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is. Oh, by the way, we bought this from Asian. No, one of the Filipino store in California. And guys, it's a decent price, for all of this is a decent price. Okay, very affordable, decent price, guys. That's why I order enough, kind of lot, but not too much, just enough for my money. So like this one, the one I want to show you guys what I bought from there. I bought this one too for my daughter. Kind of noodles, different kind of noodles. Kimi bihon. So, not Kimi, Mickey. Sorry, upside down. Mickey bihon, and my favorite dried fish. We're gonna use it for challenge. Shampoos, palm oil shampoos. I know. Another coconut. Another coconut. Another coconut. I also bought this one, guys. This is excellent. It's called Canton. This is really, really good if you cook like banh style with two kinds of noodles that you mix it together. It is really, really good with pork, with shrimp, and of course onion, garlics, and whatever. What else? Soy sauce. Not vinegar, lemon, that's a lot. That's very, very good. And then pork. This is also noodles. This one and this one's gonna be, you can cook it together. This one's a different kind of noodles. This is really, really good, guys. You don't have to cook it like so fancy cook. You just Even you cook it like a natural or regular cook, it is really good. This one is a UFC ketchup, spaghetti sauce. No, I bought that one also. I miss the Filipino food, that's why. This was biscuit, magic flakes, because I have a daughter and I love magic flakes. Like I like sky flakes. Some noodles also, like this one. I like this. It's pancit canton. Different. It's spicy. And this one is like a kind of a sour. You can warm the water like a ramen noodles here, like that. Is really, really good, guys. Another spaghetti sauce, another biscuit. This one's Ribisco. It's also popular in the Philippines. We like this. And like what I said, I miss Filipino. Well, my husband always take me to a Filipino store. Even we don't have money, we go Filipino store and I buy what I like, but sometimes. But this one, guys, very nice because You don't have to get out the house and go to the store. You just order it and deliver to your door. So, and that is the difference. You don't have to go outside and drive far. Just sit there and open your computer. And this is magic syrup, guys. Magic syrup. It is really good. The seasoning is like everything is there. Just use this for your anything. You don't have to put something. No need. It's really, really good. Another noodles. And this is a kind also of biscuit, guys, that I also like it. Wow. And also my daughter, because my daughter likes, likes snacks. That's why I bought a lot of like snacks also because she likes it. So now we are here, guys. I'm gonna show you. You're smiling, honey. What I do? Excuse me, guys. My husband's always helping me for anything. Make it easy for me, everything. Because he knows that I am lazy. This one also, guys, I know I got mine. I got my noodles. Can't too much noodles. Except for those snacks for my daughter. But this one, I really ordered this for my husband. Century tuna. I don't have century tuna. Century tuna. I like it too, but sometimes not. Century tuna, century. For a lot of us, I order a lot of century because calderita. I don't know the name, the rest. So this one, guys, is different. Look at this. It's a Argentina chunk. What is this? Trozos. Chunky trozos. Corned beef, guys. Corned beef. Wow. Argentina corned beef. And another century. Oh, this is not tuna. What is this? It's a beef. Oh no, it's a bangus. Oh no, I don't want. I don't know. This one, guys, is Argentina also. Luncheon meat. Wow. I don't show this. It's because I want, I'm, what do you call it? I don't know how to explain in English. Like, I want to show for, show off. No. And also, I did not show this. Maybe, we don't know. Somebody can think because they're sponsor. No. I'm just showing this because I like it. This is very nice. You don't have to get out your house, Luncheon meat. Luncheon meat. What do you call it? A pure food. Pure foods. Wow. I miss pure foods. And that's all, guys. I just like to show, so it's very nice. It's maybe somebody wants something and get idea. You don't have to get out. You just open your computer and it deliver to your door. And also, guys, I like also to help, if like, of course, for me, I like also if there is somebody's, gonna tell where, but you guys wants to know, or you guys I cannot tell the name because I don't know. I don't want trouble. But if you guys interested the products, you can leave a comment and we will get you back. All right. And yes, and I promise we will answer if you guys leave the comment, if you guys interested. Okay, and that's all. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you guys.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. Ring the bell.